Well, good morning, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss with another exciting video. Hey, there's just great stuff out there on Decrypt. If you guys haven't checked out Decrypt, you need to check it out. They've got some great articles about Bitcoin and institutional investors, as well as ETFs, and basically what's going on in the crypto space. I wanted to give you guys some commentary on this particular article written by Andrew Asmakoff, where Tesla, Square, Bitcoin buys were the tip of the iceberg, according to Microstrategy CEO Michael Saylor. This article goes into this rant pretty much, if you really read it closely, about how Michael Saylor is saying that this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. When we look at these guys, these two guys right here, they're leading the pack as far as what's going to happen with institutional investing and large companies basically rounding out their portfolios with some stash in Bitcoin. If you go through this article, it talks about the 1.5 billion that Tesla invested. It talks about how MicroStrategy also invested a large sum and have this, they're calling it an inflection point, meaning that this is the beginning of a wave of folks basically coming into the crypto space, large companies, and basically adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. It even goes on to state that Michael Saylor basically outlined his strategy for buying Bitcoin to Elon Musk. And then shortly after talking about it in December, he went ahead and did it. Elon, basically, and Tesla basically put their $1.5, billion down. Take a look at this little tweet here from Michael Saylor. Congratulations and thank you to Elon Musk at Tesla on adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet. The entire world will benefit from this leadership. Tesla buys 1.5 billion in Bitcoin and plans to accept it as payment. Elon Musk has been promoting cryptocurrencies on his Twitter account in the recent weeks, sending prices soaring. Well, it gets better, folks. Listen to this. Cloud service provider MicroStrategy rocked Wall Street when it became the first publicly traded firm in the U.S. to start investing in Bitcoin last year. The company bought $1 billion in Bitcoin last month, followed by several other smaller purchases, and now possesses 91,326 BTC, having paid a total of $2.2 billion for the entire stash. It also hosted a Bitcoin for Corporations Summit, advising other corporations on how to invest in the cryptocurrency. Speaking to Time, Saylor noted that he'd expected only a couple thousand people to attend. It ended up being more than 10,000 a day, and it broke their video server. Look at this. MicroStrategy plans to get more corporations. Business intelligence firm MicroStrategy is offering a free online course in Bitcoin strategy on February the 3rd and 4th, 2021. Okay? So basically, you've got now these crypto evangelists in the form of corporations. And the thing that's going to really make this happen is the fact that we've got an example here that says that Bitcoin's addition of, MicroStrategy's addition of Bitcoin to their balance sheet increased the company's stock price. Look at this. It soared more than sevenfold in the last 12 months and is now valued at $777, up from $107. So how many other companies are going to look at this and say, hey, I want my valuation to be 4 times, 5 times, 7 times what it is? How many other companies are going to see this, They're looking at Microstrategy. They're looking at Tesla. It's very clear. Tech companies out there looking at a way to improve their balance sheet. Well, Bitcoin's the thing. And as they learn how to do this, and as ETFs come into the fray, this is it's just Bitcoin's inevitable launch to greater than $100,000 is upon us. It's here. Who will be the next company to accept Bitcoin for payments? Who will be the next company that adds Bitcoin to their balance sheet in the shape of 1 billion or more, purchased? I just don't think the rest of the American companies in our Fortune 500 are going to just stand by and be left behind. What do they have to lose? What do they have to lose? They drive the industry. So we're going to be watching to see who's the next big company to add Bitcoin to their balance sheet and inevitably send Bitcoin not just above 60,000, but ultimately to the $80,000 projection that I've set for 2021. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Please share this channel with your friends, your family. Throw up the likes, and I'll catch you on the next one.